Wicked Modder here with a send-in service proof video for Ariel C. Ariel, this is the console that you sent in for RGH service. We RGH'd it using the Muffin CR4 speedup technique because it is a Corona console. It required a 4 gig read-write, so we used the SD tool on it, and then we also had to install a postfix adapter to it. One thing that you might notice that was warned about on the send-in site and the send-in form is that by selecting those white LEDs, the outer rings still have a green tint to it due to the green tinting of the plastic itself. So nothing I can really do about that. Freestyle Dash Launch XEX menu all pre-installed. As you can see, the console has booted up directly into Freestyle Dashboard. If you then go up here to the Utilities and File Manager and hit that onboard memory unit, you can see we've also got Aurora, Dash Launch, and then XEX menu is accessible from the stock dashboard, which you can reach by going to this Xbox Home, and then right here as you're about to hit yes, hold down right bumper on your controller, and then hit A, and then continue holding down right bumper, and it will exit you out to the stock dashboard. From there, I can go to the System menu and show you that we are, in fact, on 17526, the very, very latest dashboard available. It just came out a couple weeks back. And, oh yeah, from the Games tab here, you can see you've got XEX menu. So, I definitely appreciate your business. Thank you very much for trusting us with your console. Just banged the eject button, but we'll get this thing packed up and headed back your way as soon as we get the post-pay for it. So you're going to want to follow the link that came in the proof video email, get that paid for, and then once it's paid for, it'll go out either the same day or next day. Thank you very much.